So good afternoon everyone. So we are the group 5 and our topic is global health. So what is global health? So global health is a practice of improving health and well-being for all people around the world. So it involves research, education, and collaboration to address health issues that affect multiple countries. So here are some of the most pressing global health issues. The infection of diseases. So kaning infection of diseases kay makatakad ni nga bacteria like COVID-19, HIV, tuberculosis, malaria, and antimicrobial resistance. Then sa non-communicable diseases mo ang kanang di makatakad nga bacteria. Then there are the heart disease, stroke, diabetes, cancer, and also there are the kanang mental health like depression. So kaning depression kay makaan ni sa atong global health issue kanang maka-affect ni sa atong sa worldwide bitaw. Then these are the anxiety disorders. So sa anxiety disorders including post-traumatic stress disorder or increasingly recognized as global health concern. So there are the substance abuse. The misuse of substances including opioids is a growing global health issue. So another one is the environmental health. The climate change. So the climate change, the significant of implication for global health, including increased risk of heat stress, extreme weather events, and waterborne diseases. And of course, there are the air pollution. So exposure to pure air quality is a major global health concern, contributing to respiratory diseases and health problems. Also, this have a water sanitation, eradicate access to clean water and sanitation remains a significant global health issue, particularly in low and middle income in the countries.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Faith and I will be report about global health issues. First is maternal and child health. Since kani siya is importante kay sama-sama buntis need ni siya o kanang health kanang priorities like sa ilang pagbuntis magudaghan og kanang accident or in cases sa bata mao nang top priority siya. Second one is nutrition and food security. So kani nakuan man jud ni nato nga mukaon ta kada adlaw katulo sa kaadlaw. Ikaduha pud ni siya sa pinaka-importante kay ngano diri man ta maka-consume og economic growth kanang kuan sa pag-improve sa tong health og etc. Disaster response and recovery. The health impact on natural disasters and conflict required effective disaster response and recovery efforts. So kani siya mga disasters like bagyo or unsa pa na diha. Usa sad ni sa very alarming since kani siya is dako ni siya og kanang impact sa ato og sa community. Healthcare facilities. Pareha ning hospital, RHU or rural health unit, nursing homes, clinics, ambulatory cares, ug uban pa kani sila ang mga healthcare facilities nga usa sa makatabang nato og naay kanang mga disasters or kanang organization provides medical care. According to World Health Organization or WHO, a United Nations agency that coordinates international efforts, the Global Fund, Doctors Without Borders, and the Vaccine Alliance are kanang programs bitaw para mo fight o kanang communicable diseases. Kani sad siya muni siya ang mutabang nato in case kung naay mga kanang kuan bitaw kanang dinalian nga paan sa atong panglawas or proceed to summary of the topic. In general, global health not only focuses on issues or directly or indirectly impact health and transcend national boundaries. Develop and implement solutions often require global cooperation. Health equity among nations and for all people is major objective. And a goal of global health is improving health for all the people in all nations by promoting wellness and eliminating avoidable diseases, disabilities, and deaths. It can be attained by combining population-based health promotion and disease prevention measures with individuals' level clinical area. So, in conclusion, global health is rampant challenges that would impact all over the world. As a student, we need to address such as issues that would care and stop several diseases that attract people all over the world. By improving disease direction and response, promoting vaccination programs, strengthening healthcare system, fostering collaboration, and advocating for change, we can fight their challenges and even healthier for everyone. Thank you.